So yes, you read the topic right. I'm here to let you know that how can you create video advertisement with the help of AI tool. See, I completely understand that in 2023 things have become easier. But yes, if you are adapted with the AI technology, no one can replace you because AI is not replacing the human being, but yes, a person using AI will. So without making you feel bored, I'll just take you straight to the point. So in this video, we are going to cover up a thing where I'll let you know that how can you create an advertisement video with just few minutes of time, and that too you will be able to produce a very good quality video. So this advertisement video is not just going to be in a standard format video. You can create this in multiple formats, like for the Facebook one, or like for the Instagram one, like for the YouTube one. According to your preference, you can rescale, you can resize the video and convert it for any of the platform that you are looking for. And just like Canva, you will be able to do a lot of customization in the video that you are going to create. So without wasting any of your time, let me take you to my PC and show that how can you create an advertisement video with the help of AI tool. So this Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop. So to begin with the process, all we'll be opening is this InVideo tool. Just search for it and this is the website. Just come here and now you need to log into the website. So we'll be logging through the Google and we have logged in here. So now we'll be giving up the prompt. For suppose I want to make a video on Black Friday sale. So this is what the prompt is. Create an advertisement video for a clothing brand called Alpha Man. This prompt I'll be copying from the notepad that I have created. I'll just copy paste it here and click on the generate video. Once we click here, it will automatically analyze the content and create a title and start making the video on it. And now it will ask us to choose the audience according to the script that we have given. We'll choose the right audience, the look and feel that we want for the video, and the platform that the video is going to be posted in. So I'll be choosing YouTube for now. And let's click on the continue button and let's go ahead. So now this has started preparing the video and it will completely do everything on its own. So this is how the raw video is made on its own. Let's have a look at it. So did you notice that everything from the script to the subtitles to the transition to the video, it chooses on its own in a very good way. So now let's change the format and let's make it for the Facebook platform. I'll choose the ratio in 9:16 in the reel format basically. Let's see how does it gives the output. Okay, so as per the requirement, it has automatically changed the aspect ratio and added some more interactive elements in the video. Let's have a look. So it has also beautifully converted the video format from a widescreen to a portrait mode. And now let's click on the edit media and see what kind of changes can we do. I'll click on any of the clips and you can see that I just also has the option to change the media. For suppose I want my photo to be displayed on the first screen, I'll just select my photo. I'll click here, I'll click on the apply button and now let's play the video. Okay, just a minute. I'm here to interrupt you for a real important thing. See, I know that you want to create a lot of videos, you also want to create a lot of graphics for your marketing agency or for your business or for doing freelance work as an individual or as a student, or you might be at any role. Do understand that AI will help you to do all these tasks at a very minimal time. So that is why I always keep on saying that AI is not going to replace any kind of person, but yes, a person using AI will replace the another one. So do remember that you should get adapted with the AI technology. You should be knowing that how the futuristic way of AI technology works and how do people work in a professional way to reduce their time and to enhance their work in a more better way with the help of AI technology. So if you want to learn all of these things and if you really want to get adapted with the AI technology, want to get promoted, want to increase your salary, so we are coming up with a workshop that is going to be conducted just at ₹9. This workshop will be conducted by two IIT Kharagpur alumni where they have co-founded multiple 8-figure companies. So if you really want to get adapted with the AI technology, if you really want to be an irreplaceable person in your job role, then do check out the link given in the description below. And yes, I'm really excited that you are ready for the workshop and you are really interested for yourself to get updated. Let's get back to the video. So yes, it has beautifully portrayed in my photo also. Now let's go to the edit script option. So this is the script that is being auto voice over in the video. You can change the script and the voiceover will also be automatically get changed. And when you click here, this is the title that is being displayed on the video as a subtitle. You can also change the text and you can also change the format of the text. You can even add the text in the content on any sentences or on any scenario. So for suppose if I'm writing here style with me, I'll just write here with the exclamatory mark, and if I click here, let's see how does it looks like. So after adding this style with me, it has automatically added the text to that particular scenario. So this is how you can keep on changing the script. It will automatically change the voiceover and keep on adding the subtitles in your video. Now let's click on export the video and select the standard formats that we want to export in, and let's wait for the video to get exported. So you can also see that the entire export file before we export it, it looks like YouTube format. Let's just download it and see how does the final output looks like. So this was all about how you can create an advertisement video with the help of this AI tool. I hope you found the video useful, and do not forget to hit the like button if it really helped you. And yes, do let me know that what kind of AI tools do you use in your daily tasks to enhance your work in the comment section below. We all will be interacting with the comments so that we can learn, we can grow, and we can interact with each another. Thank you for staying tuned with Be10x. I'll see you with one more amazing video with one more amazing AI tool. Till then, bye-bye.